Hello and welcome back to another video by yours truly. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the Seiko 5 Sports Limited Edition Bruce Lee Edition SRPK39. So we will be doing an unboxing, gonna go through the whole unboxing experience, gonna talk about the specs and dimensions, as well as to answer the question whether or not this watch is for you. So without further ado, let's roll up the B-roll footage and continue on with the video. Alright, so let's go through the unboxing experience. So we have the manual right here because there is actually no room for the manual inside of this very special box. So let's take this out of the way. Nobody reads the manual anyways. So we are going to remove this little elastic band right here. This thing you'll probably not see very often. This is to be removed by the retailer before the purchase or the sale of the watch. I still have this little packaging right here, which is, adds a little character to the watch. So it is an outer protective little shell, I guess you can call it that way. It's like that. Outer protective shell inside a very, very special box. If you haven't seen my unboxing of the regular Seiko 5KX, you can go check that out. But this is an absolutely whole other level of unboxing right here. So we have a very special box, as you can see, with the golden, let's take the light right here, with the golden Seiko 5 logo on the box. On the other side of the box, there's nothing much, but here we have a very nice high-quality cardboard box with a gold Seiko logo. And inside of this box, we have the warranty card, as well as a very, very nice, highly collectible, super cool. I think this is made of leather. I cannot confirm for sure. I did smell it, and it did smell like leather. It could be full leather, though. I am not sure 100%. So let's take a look at this. A very nice thing right here. Gold and black is the theme of the watch, and of course it's also the theme of the box right here. So we have Bruce Lee Seiko 5 Sports Anniversary 55 Anniversary Special Edition with a gold little buckle right here and the gold embossing and decorations on the corners. On the other side of the box there's nothing much else, but still a very nice box. So we're going to be opening the box right here. All right, gonna reveal the watch to you guys, and bam, as you can see, very well thought out right here with the foam. So the watch comes with this black leather band as well as this yellow NATO band that is highly inspired by his movie where he wears that yellow tracksuit, A Game of Death. So just a little disclaimer right here, I will not be wearing this watch or putting it on my wrist because this watch has already been sold to my dear friend Brad. So this is his watch. I'm gonna let him wear it and take pictures for me, so I'm not gonna be wearing it. So this is why I'm wearing gloves. I don't want to smudge this watch up for him. I really want him to have the premium unboxing experience and for him to be the first person to actually wear this watch. So I'm just handling it with gloves so that there's no smudges. Nobody else wears this watch before him. I'm not going to be putting it, the leather band on my wrist because it is going to fold it. So nothing of that. So this is why I just want to show this watch to you guys before I give it to my dear friend. So here we have the watch. There is a dragon engraving on the back of the watch, as you can see right here. Very cool and very 3D. So Bruce Lee's Chinese nickname is actually the little dragon because he was apparently born on the year of the dragon, on the day of the dragon. So a dragon is highly associated with him. So we have a dragon dial as well as dragons on the strap, as you can see right here. So we have dragons all over this nice leather strap. Let's just remove this tag for now so that I can show you guys. There's dragons on the strap, 22mm lug width, right? And we also have the Jeet Kune Do logo on the back right here. We can still see the movement in the back, but it is kind of like tinted. So we have the Jeet Kune Do logo. This is a limited edition watch, as you can see from the number right here. So limited to 15,000 units. On the bezel, instead of having time, it is actually a saying in Jeet Kune Do. So it says, using no way as way having no limitation as limitation. Very deep saying. I'm not sure what exactly it means, but very deep indeed. Perhaps one of my viewers can enlighten me. So the bezel still turns, but you're not, you're not going to turn, time anything with this bezel. Unless you like remember all the characters and use them as maybe you sign like a number to each of the characters and you can remember them and you can time things with. But being not like a Chinese person, I I think it is going to be very hard to use this to time anything. It still turns. It feels exactly like a 5KX bezel. In fact, this is the 5KX case. So the 5KX case with a very special dial and a very special hands and lume and a bezel, as well as a very special strap. Oh my god, that was hard to say. Very special strap with this nice leather dragon strap, as well as this nice yellow tracksuit NATO right here. So I'm curious to see what the lume looks like on this black thing right here. So let's charge up the lume and see what the lume looks like. This is what the lume looks like. Definitely not as bright as other 5KXs that has, like, let's say white or yellow indices. Because of the black indices, the lume is a lot more subtle. It doesn't shine as much as the other 5KXs that I've tested in the past, but it still looks hella cool. It kind of looks turquoise instead of the typical green that you get in these 5KX units. Obviously, the bezel is not lumed. You get lumes on the lollipop hand, as well as the minute and second hand, as well as the indices right here. So very nice and cool, like stealthy lume almost. Really nice look. I've never seen lume like this before. It almost doesn't like shine, but you can still see it in the complete darkness, as you can see right here. So very nice turquoise lume right here on this very special limited edition watch. So like I said before, I am not going to be wearing this watch because this watch has been sold to my dear friend Brad. I am just delivering it to him and showing it to you guys in a video, so I will not be removing these straps or wearing it on me. So I'm going to be asking him to send me some pictures once he gets his hands on this watch, so that I can show you guys what this looks like on wrist. So in terms of specifications, it's basically the same specifications and dimensions as the regular 5KX. So we have 45.5 case size, 46 lug to lug, 13.4 in terms of thickness, and 22mm lugs. 4R36 movement with a hard lex crystal, 41-hour power reserve, plus 45 to minus 35 seconds a day. But really, if you're buying this watch, you're not really buying it for the specs. You're buying it because you like this, cool unboxing experience, very collectible, limited edition. Also, this nice combination of black and gold and Bruce Lee, and this very nice like yellow tracksuit NATO strap. If you like dragons a lot, I know my friend Brad that bought this watch really likes dragons a lot, so this is why he bought this watch, because of this dragon motif on the dial right here. So if you're buying this watch, you're not really buying it for the specifications. Obviously, this is going to cost a lot more than a regular 5KX. So now we're going to answer the question whether this watch is for you. If you think this watch is cool, this watch is for you. Because if you're looking at this thing at the full logical perspective, right, it makes no sense, right? Because regular 5KX with the same specs, same dimensions is going to cost you way less. Let's say maybe 1 to 3 times less than this watch right here. But is this watch, in your personal opinion, 2 or 3 times more cool than a regular 5KX? If you think this is 3-4 times cooler than a regular 5KX, then it is totally worth the extra price that you pay for it. Because it's all about, when you're wearing a watch, nobody needs a watch, right? We wear watches because they give us a sense of enjoyment. So if you enjoy this watch 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 10 times more than a regular 5KX, then definitely it's worth the extra price that you pay for it. This is how I think about these things, right? Because watches, in a sense, makes no sense because you have the time on your phone anyways, and it's way more accurate than any mechanical watches out there. So if you're buying a mechanical watch, you're buying something because you enjoy it. And if you enjoy, let's say this whole package right here with this dragon right here, the dragon dial, the dragon strap, as well as this thing and the box, whatever, 5 times more than the regular 5KX, then it's a deal if the watch only costs 2 to 3 times more than a regular 5KX. This is the way I think about these things. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Perhaps for you, this is not for you. You think this is overpriced and Bruce Lee limited edition is stupid, then That's totally your opinion. Then for you, it's not worth it. But if you think that this is hella cool, then definitely this watch is worth it for you. You won't regret buying this really nice premium package with a premium box, like the 2 boxes, the foam, the strap, and as well as this nice leather strap with the dragon inside. I mean, if I got this watch, I'd be almost like too scared to wear this because I don't think you can replace this right here. This maybe you can find, you know, aftermarket, but this right here with the dragon embossed and everything is going to be very hard to find. So a very nice watch. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and I will be asking, you know, Brad to send me some pictures of this watch so that I can show you guys how this watch looks like on wrist. So a big thank you for staying till the end of the video, and of course there's more content coming up. I have this Marine Master 200 I haven't made a video of yet, and of course a bunch of other watch content on the way. So thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. If I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway on this channel. So thank you very much for watching. Click that subscribe button, and until next time.